Hello everyone, welcome back to Lori's Tech Time. I just want to say thank you for everyone who has subscribed and has been watching all my videos. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I have a new Gadget Discovery Club unboxing for you today. So we're gonna check it out. Let's see what they have sent me. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. And we'll open it up. Alright. It is a Rise Infinity 2 solar charger. Okay. Self-charging with 3 large solar panels. 2 USB charging ports. You can charge 2 devices simultaneously. This is different. I don't have any kind of solar charging. Pamphlet. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty chunky. Feels like a big wallet. There's 3 solar panels, so I wonder if I could just put this in my window to charge it. I wonder how long it takes. And here are the charging ports. Alright, it says keep it normal room temperature, so you can't put it outside. Unplug your power bank as soon as it's fully charged. Got lights here, if you can see those. I guess it's got a flashlight right there. If it was charged, we could turn it on, but it's not charged. Alright, charging your Infinity 2 using solar power. To charge your Infinity 2 solar power, open the device so that the solar panels are exposed to light. The green light on the side of the device will turn on to indicate that it is charging. So it's not on now, but it did turn on. Oh, open it up. I wonder if my ring light will make it charge. Yeah. The ring light made it charge. But not enough to turn this light bulb on. The blue flashing lights will show the progress of charging. The battery is fully charged when all of the blue LED lights are on. So I have some flashing. So I'll put it in my window and charge it up. And I'll try it out and I'll let you guys know how it charges. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.